Hello Bookish friends, welcome to another Turkish shelf video. In today's Turkish shelf video, I'm going to review The Sound of Fishsteps by Buket Uzuner in honor of Mental Health May. Buket Uzuner was born in 3rd of October 1955, Ankara. She studied biology and environmental science, did research and made presentations in universities in Turkey, Norway, United States and Finland. Buket Uzuner is a writer of novels, short stories and travel blogs. Her books have been on Turkish bestsellers list since 1992. Some of her books are even taught in some high schools and universities in the country. In 1993, the author was awarded Yunus Nadi Award for the novel Balık İzlerinin Sesi, and in 1999, Kumralada Mavi Tuna was named the novel of the year by Istanbul University. She received many honorary awards from national and international universities. Uzuner's fiction books have been translated to many languages: Spanish, English, Italian, Greek, Romanian, Hebrew, Korean, Bulgarian, Hungarian, and Albanian. Among her novels, The Sound of Fishsteps, True Green Otters, Mothers, Fathers, Lovers, and All Others, Mediterranean Waltz, The Long White Cloud, Gallipoli, I Am Istanbul, Ought to Be a Cat, and Water, Earth, and Sea, the first three books in the Adventures of Misfit, Defne Kaman series, were translated to English. She also published a short story collection, A Cup of Turkish Coffee, in England. Buket Uzuner currently lives in Istanbul, Turkey. Balık İzlerinin Sesi is Buket Uzuner's second novel and was published in 1992. The work was awarded the Yunus Nadi Novel Prize 1 year after its publication. It was translated into English by Pelin Arıner in 2001 under the title Sound of Fishsteps. The novel begins with the arrival of 88 students selected by the United Nations from the 88 countries with special scholarships in an unnamed country. These students will stay for a year at the Funtold Center for the Distinguished Students, located in a forested area of a northern country, depicted but not named, as I mentioned before. And they soon realize that the program in which they feel special and join with great desire is very different from what they had initially had in mind. Indeed, with this realization, the process takes a completely different turn. There are mainly four significant characters in the novel. The first one is Afife Piri. She is the narrator of the book, and she claims that she is the heir of Afife Jale, the first Turkish theater actress, and also Piri Reis, the famous cartographer who lived in the second half of 1500s. Romain Gary is Afife's older charismatic lover and is attached to his mother with an affection that is very, very close to sexual love. Carmen de Cervantes is Spanish. Her character is the mixture of Carmen with her alluring femininity and her sexual allure, and also Miguel de Cervantes's Don Quixote with her eccentric personality. And Jean is Romain's on and off lover, also a rival for Afife's affections. I have previously read and reviewed many books from Buket Uzuner, and this was certainly the weirdest book that I have read from her. First of all, the plot twist at the beginning of the book is very interesting, and the book takes a very, very different turn from that point on. Being in the mind of a narrator who's not mentally well has been very, very interesting. And also the genre of the book is very, very mixed. It contains elements from fantasy, sci-fi, mystery, and also romance genre. So it was a very, very interesting read for sure. Buket Uzuner is kind of like one of my favorite Turkish authors. And because I really like her writing style, I did not feel too confused while reading this book like I would have if the writing style did not suit me, because the plot is so weird, like I mentioned before. In order not to give spoilers, I will not tell much about some of the plot details. However, I can say that I kept wanting to know what would happen in the future, and also trying to find out what is happening in the outside world from the clues in Afife's very, very delusional mind. Like I said in my wrap-up, this was a quite decent read for me, and I would certainly recommend this book for my international friends who likes literary fiction as well as weird books. This was my review of Sound of Fishsteps by Buket Uzuner. Please comment down below, do you like weird books? And if you're a new viewer, first of all, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Hope to see you very soon. Bye. As for Turkish word of the day, I'm going to choose step. Step means adım in Turkish, and adım is our Turkish word of the day. Have a good day.